Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Using a socket wrench, a long extender, and a 13mm socket, unscrew the fastening plate of the battery and remove it. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, with all the car still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a 10mm spanner, release the holding nut on the negative terminal. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Unclip the whole of the box and position it so that it doesn't get in the way of future movements. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. You will find the bolt parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new battery and remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the plastic case back in and screw it in place. Then put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully before fixing it in place with a spanner. Put the battering fastening plate in place. Then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Operation completed.